If you have an online business in today's world, you need a content library. A content library is a place where all of your videos are held. You create content one after another, and then you hold it in a library. Now, a library can be something like a Dropbox, it can be a Google Drive, it can even be in drafts sometimes. Although I don't recommend leaving them in drafts because you never know when they're going to come out and just take them and they're going to go poof. They're going to go away. They're going to leave and you're not going to know where they are. And you're going to be like, where the heck are my videos? And you're not going to be able to find them. So now how do you create a content library? Well, you need to have a bulk of content. I mean, like a lot of content. And once you create all of the pieces and the elements that you have, now you have a content library. Now, this content library is going to do a couple of different things for you. It's going to feed the algorithm. And yes, you have to feed the algorithm because it's always hungry. It's always looking. And once you have the content library set up and you're feeding the algorithm, you're going to see a large shift happen within your platform. You're going to see where you start to get more engagement. You're going to see your sales start to increase. You're also going to see your following and your authority grow as well. And sometimes that can be in small increments or really huge, where all of a sudden you go outside and people are like, hey, I know you. That all stems from a content library. A majority of people actually have a content library and didn't even know that they had it. Because they were repurposing their content in different ways, they never really thought it. So I've coined the term content library. So if anybody asks, y'all know it was me, it's Josh Speaks Digital, you let them know. A content library doesn't necessarily have to be built by you. You don't have to be the person that records the content, but you do need ambassadors for your business to record the content. Now, we actually have a group of ambassadors. So if you're looking for someone to create your content, go ahead and holler at your girl on Instagram. Let's chat. On the other hand, if you want to be the ambassador of your business yourself and you are the brand, then we definitely need to have a chat. Join our challenge. It's coming up here next week. We'll help you create a whole ton of content to put into your content library, help you get sales, increase your authority online, and build your business. Peace.